Greetings and salutations and welcome to the video. Welcome to 2020 everyone, and the first thing you've probably noticed is that I sound a bit different, and yes, that's because I've got a new microphone. Well, it's not exactly new, I've had it for a good couple of years, but I just haven't ever had the stand to put it up because that stand that comes with it is really not that good for a desk when my desk isn't that deep. It's got enough room for a monitor, cable and a keyboard. And so I built myself a new overhead one. It's custom made, I made it myself. I'll go into the Inventor drawings and design later on, although I tweaked it quite a bit because materials I thought I had, I didn't have. But hey ho. Right, so let's move on to it. So, first thing I'm going to do is this is just a video about what I'm going to do throughout probably Q1, first couple of months of 2020. So, for the first focus is going to be on education. So this will be looking at all the education features that Autodesk offers. If you don't know, I am an Autodesk Student Ambassador Gold, which means I work with the community a fair bit more. I've also been quite actively engaged within it. So as part of the actual student community, you get loads of different things. There's the Design Academy, there's also projects and other bits and bobs, but the main feature is free software. You get access to well over 20 grand worth of software license for free. You get 3 years per version, and you get up to 4 versions. So the current version, which is 2020 for most products, on all the way back to 2017. So you get yearly upgrades if you want to, and each one lasts for 3 years. So keeps you in the current fold. The main difference is though is now they've actually tweaked the verification, so now you actually have to be verified as a student. There's no trust system. I'll be going through how to get an account, how to get yourself verified, how to do everything in a way that follows the EULA. And you've got to be serious, because if you're not serious and get caught out, then there are big fines involved. Companies have learnt the hard way. And so also within education, we've got the Ambassador Hub, which is somewhat new. It's been around since September, and there's a new hub specifically for students, educators and people who are involved within education. I think we might have a couple of brands involved. There's also competitions, there's activities, there's rewards, etc. And I think that's everything within education, but I will be doing some more on what the hub is, what the academy is, how to get an account, so on and so forth. Okay, and next job is Inventor. So Inventor, it will be returning this year because I am an Inventor channel, but we'll be going more into some of the advanced things. We'll be looking at the Autodesk Certified User and Autodesk Certified Professional, kind of like there's a checklist for it. So try and do some of those. I'll be trying to go into some more advanced things, and also I'll be learning along the way, because in order to do videos, I've got to be able to actually show how it works. So we're going to be looking at frame generators, weldments, other bits in assembly, and other parts of the ACP spec. And I think, and the last thing we've got is, when I bring this switch up, is we're also going to be looking at hardware specifically for Inventor. What makes a good Inventor machine? And doing the teen idea of setting price to high and selecting the first thing you see will not work based on compatibility, but also because of processor. We do not need the most expensive processors, as you'll soon see. All these system integrators, HP, Dell, offering these server CPUs that do absolute nothing for Inventor and just let it struggle. I think that's everything I'm probably going to do for the first part of 2020. So, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!